All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the concluding examples here in the check it out section. Question number 1 says I'm supposed to take r minus 4 and multiply it by s minus 6. Well, as you can see, once again, as you know from my rules that we've been using here as we've been solving the different questions, we've got 2 subtraction signs, and that's not going to stand. We've got to change those into adding the opposite here. So that's what I'm prepared to do to start here. I'm prepared to change this into r plus negative 4 times s plus negative 6. So let's go ahead and change this into r plus negative 4 times s plus negative 6. All right, I need to apply FOIL, FOIL, to multiply together the 2 binomials. So you can do FOIL like we saw in 1A, where we can identify the first terms and put them together, and then you can identify the outside terms and put them together, and then you can identify the inside terms and put them together, and you can identify the last terms and put them together. Let's go ahead and try that here since we haven't done that in a little while. The first terms here, the first term in each binomial is r and s. So I'm going to multiply together r and s for the first term, and that's just going to give me rs. The O term here, or the O terms rather, the outside terms, or what I have on the outside of what I've written here, that's r and negative 6. When I multiply together r and negative 6, you have negative 6r. I in FOIL stands for the inners, or the inside terms of what I've written here. The inside terms of what I've written here are negative 4 and s. That's going to combine to make negative 4s. And L is the last terms of the polynomial expression, the last term in each binomial. That's negative 4 and negative 6, which is going to give me positive 24. And now it's a matter of me just combining the F, the O, the I, and the L with addition signs between everything. And when I do that, that's going to give me rs plus negative 6r plus negative 4s plus 24. Again, it's just me combining all those with an addition sign. I really don't care which method you use. If you want to go ahead and use the table method, you can use the table method. If you want to go ahead and use FOIL, if that makes more sense to you, then use FOIL. If it's easier for you to do one sometimes and the other times, then do whatever you need to when you need to. It does not matter to me which one you use. I have a feeling that most of you, when it's said and done, will probably end up liking the table method better. FOIL, as you've seen here in 1, is more traditional, but it really does not matter. It's not going to have any negative consequence later on down the line of which you use. Both will help you get the right solution. Number 2, an 18-foot by 32-foot swimming pool has a deck around it that extends X feet beyond each side. Represent the area of the deck around the swimming pool in terms of X. So here's my swimming pool, and my swimming pool is 18 by 32.